Hello everyone and welcome back to the Vakas Tech. So guys, in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your Snapchat score super fast. There is some method to increase and boost up your Snap score. So in this video, I will show you how you can do that. First of all, you need to open your Snapchat. Okay. Now you need to tap on plus icon. Right now showing here, you can see appears on screen. Now swap and you can see appears on screen showing here new option. Tap on that. Okay, as you can see right now it's showing new shortcut. Just tap on that. After that you need to select some name. You can see appears on screen right now. Suppose like I am selecting right now. Tap on create and you can see appears on screen. You can't have a empty title. Tap on OK and tap on this icon. You can see appears on screen right now. It's created a shortcut. Okay, after that you need to click any random pic. Suppose right now I'm clicking that and tap on send to. Okay, after that you can see appears on screen right now showing here this one. You need to select that. After that you need to tap on send and it will boost up your Snapchat score super fast. So by do that simple step, you can easily boost up your Snapchat score. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.